How to use Sephora Virtual Try On. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to use Sephora Virtual Try On. Sephora's Virtual Try On, also known as Virtual Artist, allows users to virtually try makeup on products using their mobile device's camera. So you can basically use it to experiment with different lipstick sets, eyeshadows and even full looks before making a purchase. So if you are using your app, just open the Sephora app and navigate to the product page after you log into your account of the item you are interested in and look for the virtual artist or try it on button, which is often found under the inspire me section. And similarly, if you are using Sephora website just like me, you can just also find the virtual try on feature on the product page, often within the product detail or dedicated section for a virtual try on. So once you have found a look for you like, you can easily shop the products you use directly within the app or website. You can also save the look or share it with your friends to get their opinions. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.